So if you've been watching our videos for a while now, you know that there's over 100 different cannabinoids in the hemp cannabis plant. And today, we're covering CBN. So to begin, the molecular name for CBN is cannabinol, and research on CBN shows it has a high correlation in supporting quality sleep. THC can actually chemically degrade into CBN if exposed to the right elements, and these right elements are namely time and exposure to air. So if you're improperly storing your smokable flower, that THC in the flower could, over time, if exposed to these elements, chemically convert to CBN. Higher concentrations of CBN are actually found in the marijuana cannabis plant, but CBN is still extremely prevalent in the hemp cannabis plant as well. But don't let all this CBN-THC correlation freak you out. CBN is not nearly as psychoactive as something like Delta-9 or Delta-8 THC, so you won't get that euphoric high that you're used to getting with something like Delta-8 or Delta-9 THC. A study conducted in 1975 actually found that when THC was combined with CBN, the male participants in the study fell more into a sedative state than they had with just THC alone. And a few rodent-based studies with CBN found that it actually delayed the onset of ALS, as well as reducing arthritis inflammation. Research has also suggested that CBN has some high correlations with regulating your immune system, but more research is needed to truly understand these results. Similar to cannabidiol or CBD, the research behind CBN shows it supports pain relief, quality sleep, as well as having potential anti-inflammatory properties. And though the effects of CBD and CBN are somewhat similar, CBN far surpasses CBD in its ability to yield a restful night's sleep, says the research. And if you've heard about the entourage effect before, this is where you might have initially been introduced to CBN. The entourage effect essentially states that when cannabinoids are taken together, like let's say a tincture combined with CBG, CBD, etc., CBC, CBN, etc., when any two cannabinoids or more are taken together, these cannabinoids would work better and yield fuller results in your system and in your experience when taken alongside each other. We like to call them the cannabinoid companions. Comment down below whether you've ever tried a CBN-based product and let us know what your experience was like. As always, Bloomble community, make sure you like this video if you liked it, comment below, subscribe to our channel if you haven't, and hit the bell so you know when we upload. As always, this has been Will here at Bloomble. Take care, and we'll see you in the next one.